Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat for free. Whether you need to fix typos, add images, or fill out forms, this method works without needing to buy a subscription. So the first step that we need to do is to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader TC from the official Adobe website. So this is their official website, so you could go ahead and search get.adobe.com/reader or simply just type in Adobe Acrobat Reader and you should be able to see their official link. So there is an option for you to go ahead and click the blue button to download it. So Adobe Reader alone doesn't allow full editing but will use the other built-in features that are free to make some changes. Now, the next step that we need to do, if you have completely downloaded that, is just to simply install it. So just following the prompts, and right after you've installed it, it's time to open a PDF. So just choose a PDF of your choice. So as you can see, we have our PDF already added here. So we're just currently using the free version for this. And if you've noticed here, onto the left side panel, we have different options. So you could use the fill and sign tool here if you're trying to fill out a form, add a comment, or just simply quick edits. So you could just click anywhere here on the document to add the text. So just simply click like that if you want to type here. So you could type anything, and then you could use the toolbar here onto the left side to add check marks or anything. So you could just also try to move this by using the selection tool. Just select the text here, and then you can move it anywhere. So you could go ahead and grow the font size as well and make it small, and you could delete this using the delete button. So if you click under the three dots, you could switch to signature, initials, cross mark, check mark, and character spacing. So feel free to go ahead and use what you want to use in here. So mostly for PDF, this actually Adobe Acrobat Reader is pretty useful if you need to sign something. So you could switch to signature here, and then you could type in your name, or you could draw, or just simply add in your image in here to proceed. So just simply click on apply, and then you could go ahead and try to move that or put your sign here. Just click this button in here to save this to your computer. So it will go ahead and save it, and that is just basically it. You can now make simple edits to any PDF using the free version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. For more advanced edits like rearranging pages or editing images, you could consider Adobe Acrobat Pro or check out their other plans. And if you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share with our viewers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on to our next tutorials.